Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And first off, I'd like to thank the last 5 subscribers who have subscribed to me in the past 24 hours. Thank you very much. Today I'm going to show you my crystal mold collection. And we're going to start off with the basics. Everybody's got these, right? Hold on. Yeah. They make really nice molds. This I got from Sofie and Toffee, but you can get this one anywhere too. Just like this one, you can get anywhere. Yeah, I got big time involved with putting the smaller stuff in these containers. Keeps everything separated and clean. You can tell this is well loved. This I got from Michael's. You can definitely use it for UV resin. Let me know if you've seen anybody else store their molds like this, because like I said before, I don't recall seeing anybody doing this. I've only seen them do it for things like charms and stuff. If you'd like to see more, don't forget to thumbs up, hit the like and share, because I have several other molds I'd like to show off. Yeah, you can get these anywhere. Yeah, I got 2 of these, so they can sit together, be friends. Okay, that's it for that section. This is also a set that everybody knows about. You can use them as earrings, stick them on little posts or embellishments. These turn out pretty good. I love making the little dolphin. And I store them in this. I got this from not Miniature Sweets, but AliExpress, and it makes these. Don't mind this, I just poured it all at once, but I'm thinking on making it into a little decoration. Got this from Michael's. They make pretty good embellishments as well. You can use them as keychains or necklaces. These I don't really like, because these you can't see whether you've filled it to the bottom without any bubbles or not. And plus they come out matte, so that means you have to glaze it. But they are pretty sturdy. I like the designs that come up with it, but like I said, they come out matte. And they really don't use up that much resin. Ugh, gotta clean those up. Okay, And I store everything in this. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you to my new subscribers, and thank you to my old subscribers for keeping up with me and for liking, sharing, subbing, and donating once in a while. Don't forget to leave a tip in my PayPal like some of you do. And have a great day. Namaste.